Everyone, in today's video we are going to make the electronic dice project. So let us see the components required. We need an Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, a push button, a 7-segment display, two 1 kilo ohm resistor and some connecting wires. So let us do the assembly now. So first of all, we will place the push button on the breadboard. Then we will take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and connect the resistor to one of the terminals of the push button and the other terminal to the negative rail of the breadboard. Then we will take one more wire and connect the other terminal of the push button to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino board. Then we will take one more wire and connect the diagonally opposite pin to pin 9 of the Arduino board. And now we will do the connection for the 7-segment display. So this is the 7-segment display. Here it has 7 segments and each segment has a particular pin. So it goes like A, B, C, D, E, F and then the middle pin is G. And here it is A, this pin is A, then B, then below we have C, and like this we will have the pins. So accordingly we have to connect the 7-segment display pins to the Arduino board. So let us do the connections now. First of all, place the 7-segment display on the breadboard. And connect it to the Arduino board. Connect the A pin to pin 2 of the Arduino. Connect pin B to pin 3 of the Arduino. Connect pin C to pin 4 of the Arduino. Connect pin D to pin 5 of the Arduino. Connect pin E to pin 6 of the Arduino. Connect pin F to pin 7 of the Arduino and connect pin G to pin 8 of the Arduino. Then take another 1 kilo ohm resistor and attach it to the common pin of the 7-segment display, that is between C and D, and connect the other terminal to the negative rail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we will connect within the 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then take one more wire and connect this wire to the ground pin of the Arduino. So our connection is completed. Now we will upload the code.
Hello everyone. Now we will discuss the code for the electronic dice. So here first we have created variables for each of the 7-segment pins A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then we have created a integer variable button for the push button pin. Now inside the void setup we have declared all the pins as output and the button as input. And then we have initialized the serial monitor with the baud rate of 9600. Now the main code begins. Now inside the void loop we have created a variable integer x, and we are going to store the value of the button pin in this variable. So to read the value from the button pin, we are using the digital read function. So when the button will be pressed, it will give us the value as high, and when it is not, it will give us low. So here, if x is equal to high, that means if the button is pressed, then we have created another variable integer r, which will randomly generate any number between 1 to 7. So here, to generate any number, we are using the random function, and then we will print the number in the serial monitor. Then if r is equal to 1, that means if the generated number is 1, then we will display 1 in the 7-segment display. So for that, we have made segment B and C high. Similarly, if 2 is generated, then we have done the coding for displaying 2 in the 7-segment display. Same way, we have done the coding for 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we have given a delay of 1000, that is 1 second, to avoid any fluctuation. So from this code, whenever the button will be pressed, any random number between 1 to 7 will be generated, and according to that number, it will be displayed in the 7-segment display. So once the code is done, click on Tools, select the board as Arduino Uno, select the required COM port, and then click on Upload. Your code will be uploaded to the Arduino board.
Output of the electronic dice. So as I will press the push button, you can see random numbers are getting displayed on the 7-segment display. Thank you.